a luxury vehicle, just a unique, especially in classics. 2011 Cadillac DTS Platinum Edition. Absolutely beautiful, well-kept car. A little over 42,000 miles on this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. And this one, what you see in the videos and pictures is what you will see in real life. Underneath the hood, of course, 4.6 liter, 32 valve dual overhead cam V8. That is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, of course, all your amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This particular car, you do have the dual climate control, as well as the automatic electronic climate control, and much more, which I will hit on some of the main features. But you can also check out the window sticker, which will be in with our still pictures, so you can see every option that is listed on the window sticker. You're also going to see an MSRP or new car price. When this one was sold new, I think 10 years ago now, this car sold new for just shy of $64,000. Pretty good value if you've ever ridden in one of these and driven one down the road. They go down the road absolutely beautiful, especially with the miles on this one and the condition. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures, so you can see the window sticker, you'll be able to check out every angle of this car, the underside, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and of course you can call us to 507-386-1726. You can see up on the front bumper, it does have the front parking assist. This will also have adaptive cruise control. It has the aniline leather seating surfaces, which were both upgrades above and beyond the Platinum Edition. You're going to be able to see that on the window sticker. Still maintains the original Cadillac chrome wheels. The tires were replaced in 2020, have approximately 1,200 miles on them. They're Pirelli radials. Oil has been changed. Fluids are good to go in this one. It's a turnkey, get in and go. Of course, leather bucket seats up front. Now, they will also be ventilated or cooled and heated front seats, rear heated seats as well, heated steering wheel. A lot of luxury items into these DTSs. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just take a look up and down that car too. Nice reflection coming off that paint. Black paint is in nice condition, especially considering the miles. I mean, you do have 42,000 miles, so the car has been driven. But again, well maintained. Rear parking assist, the dual exhaust, platinum badging. You'll be able to see in the trunk, it does have the trunk mat in there. Platinum Editions would have had, as well as the cargo net. There's pictures of all of that and more at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below the video. It'll take you right there now. Take a look down the driver's side. You can see the reflection of the showroom behind me. And again, be able to see all the way to the front door right there. Look at that. So you know the paint is nice on this one. There may be a little touch-up spot right up here if you can get it to show up. Rear seats hardly look like they've been sat in. Practically look new. Of course, this would have power moonroof, all in working order. Now let's look at the inside of this. I'll hit on some of the amenities that you're going to have on this. Of course, power steering, power brakes, and the AC went over earlier, but here you're going to have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seats. There's your heated and ventilated seat buttons. Of course, driver's information center, all the steering wheel controls for cruise. You're also going to have your radio controls on the steering wheel. Power seats both sides, power lumbar. Take some time, look through that window sticker. They're going to hit on everything on that one. Stability control system, of course, StabiliTrak is what it would be considered with GM. This would also have the side blind zone detection, magnetic ride control. Real wood interior in the steering wheel, the dash. Very elegant, luxurious vehicles, no doubt about that. All right, start it up, check out the exact miles. This is going to be for your front parking assist. There's a readout in there with lights. There's your exact miles, 42,360. No warning indicators, any sort of lights on like that. Just daytime running lights. And then that's the seatbelt indicator. I don't have it on. Navigation system, of course. Here's your dual climate, electronic controlled. Center console. And again, just wood grain and natural real all the way around. Look at that dash. Great shape. You can tell this car was stored inside. Headliner, all intact and as it should be. Wow. Very, very clean vehicle. Slip around to the back. What you'd expect to hear. Smooth running 4.6 under the hood. This car actually came out of a collection of Cadillacs, a gentleman that had them. All of his vehicles that I have looked at and been going through, pictures, videos, top notch, no doubt about that. Again, we have an open door policy, third party inspector. You want somebody to come look at this if you can't in person and give you their opinion on the car. I think they're going to find the same thing I'm coming up with on any of the pictures and videos. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Let's take a look at that hood liner. Again, see how clean that is. Not full of road grime. Doesn't look like this car has been driven a lot for inclement weather. And it shows underneath the hood here too. Again, dual overhead cam, 32 valve, 4.6 liter V8. Smooth running engine. Nice tidy engine bay. Again, just what you'd expect on this car. 2011 DTS Platinum Edition. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, well taken care of luxury sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.